This is the LEPOWER-TEC 12-inch LED flush mount ceiling light with remote control. Company sent me this product to check it out and make video for it, so let's do it. I want to point out that this is a hardwired 24 watt 2600 lumen light and that it does not work with dimmer switches. I'm eventually going to put this up to replace an old ceiling fan, and they've given me pretty much everything I need to make that an easy transition. You can see me unboxing it over here in the box. Obviously you get the light itself, the instructions, some hardware, and the remote control. The light has a slim 1.1 inch profile and it's made from 252 LED beads, and it's able to deliver up to 2600 lumens of white light, and that's basically the equivalent of 2 150 watt incandescent light bulbs, which I like because I like a lot of light. You can see on the back here there's a mount, and this to me looks like it's going to mount right onto my old ceiling fan mount, which I like, and they've given me the hardware. We've got a couple of drywall anchors if you need them, some screws, and some wire nuts for the wiring. Like I said, hardwired. We got the two leads here, and they've given you a little hook to hook it onto the old fixture mount that you have. Make it easier to hang up. I like that. And when you're done, this is just going to turn and slide into place there. The AAA batteries that they provided go to power this remote control, and they say that it has a range of up to 7 meters and also a memory function on it. 7 meters should be good to get it anywhere in the room. We can adjust the brightness from 10% to 100%. We can adjust the color temperature, and it has 7 red, green, blue color modes with dynamic flash and breathing effects. It even has a nightlight mode and an auto timer right here, which gives you a couple of different options. Look like 60 seconds and 1 hour. The light has a color temperature range from 3000K to 6500K. And on the remote control, they have different presets you can use to find your ideal scenario. I'll show you all this in a darker setting up over here, but I wanted to wire this up and show you this ring of red, green, blue around here. You've got 2 power buttons on the top. One on the left powers the white light, and you've got all kinds of different settings for that. But this power button on the right powers up this ring right here. And this button right here changes it to a strobe setting, which I have it on now. You can see it's strobing through different red, green, and blue color settings. If you hit that again, now it's just strobing through solid colors. And if we hit this red, green, blue button right here, we can just keep it functioning on a solid color. And again, like I'll show you over here exactly what that is. And you can turn that off or on if you like. There you go. Nice looking, lightweight, remote controlled, hardwired light that would look great in any room. Very nice.